built the GCM market report for today, the 13th of April, just before Good Friday actually. Only about 230 cattle yarded here in total, only a handful of cows. Rest of the cows topped down at $3.20 here today. Trade market was quite strong and a really good run of feeder cattle, which you'll see later on.
With about 150 feeder cattle yarded here today, these nice steers here topping out at about $5.95, weighing up to about 450 kilos.
Yeah, very nice run of restocked heifers here today, weighing about 240 to 250 kilos, making from $5.60 up to $6.10.
With 14 cows and calves here today for sale, these cows topped out at $3,250. With only one bull here today, he made $2.96.